Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and it is a Tuesday. You regulars know what that means. There's a 50-50 chance you're getting free stuff from Epic Games, and this week we are in luck. Yes, we got free assets from Epic Games, 2 freebies, and this is not just for Unreal Engine. Actually, we have quite a bit of very cross-platform giveaways this month. So if you're using Unity or Godot or Blender or whatever, you can grab these assets in your favorite tool. This is the first one. It is a dungeon environment, very modular in nature, as you can see it right here. And now what you can see is the same thing. This is in Blender. So this is actually downloaded as a native Blender file. We can navigate around the world, take a look at everything going on here. So you can get this out into whatever you wish. A ton going on here. And then I took all of these given assets and I could have pulled them from Blender over to the Godot game engine, for example. But instead what I did is I used the Unreal to Godot Convertor plugin. And you can see here, by the way, links for those are available down below. There's a number of ways to get assets from one engine to another. So I got to tell you, hoard, and hoard some more. These assets are available for complete free, but you can use them in other engines, or perhaps at some point in the future, you will start using Unreal Engine. Regardless, pick these up. But this week, it's actually kind of special because pretty much everything we're looking at is available for a number of different game engines, except for this one. So the second one we've got going on, this one is a phone system for, let me open up the map. Basically, everyone's favorite portion of Grand Theft Auto 5, well, it's been recreated here. So if you want to have a whole lot of phone calls, you've got this virtual phone here, even with a number of virtual apps. For example, here we have notes. You can create new notes here. It's got full application for doing so, but I'll go ahead and delete that. We also have like a video player here, which, you can actually see it in action here. So it's a virtualized phone for your game. A number of different demos here showcasing the kind of functionality that it could do. You see even here, again, security cameras right in your world. So it comes with a number of different apps here. So virtualized weapons. And you can even actually use this to make, believe it or not, people use their phones sometimes to make phone calls. I don't know the last time I did that, but you can go ahead, you can call or text message people.
Where are you?
I was resting.
And it's everything you need to create and make all of these things work. So very comprehensive phone with virtual apps, etc. inside of it. So again, you want to recreate the phone type user interface from Grand Theft Auto 5, you can do that. Now we got one other freebie here from the Epic Games giveaway. Again, this one is cross-platform. It's also about as straightforward as they get because it's a set of walls. Yeah, walls. So if you need walls, these are walls to the walls. A lot of medieval walls here, stonework and so on. Probably the most straightforward thing that was ever been given away in one of these giveaways. By the way, we've got a couple of other things. I'm going to start doing this, I think, for these giveaways. Is when I talk about them, I'm also going to showcase any other giveaways that were recently launched. So, quick overview of what we had here. So again, we have the Platformer 8 Underworld Low Poly 3D Models Pack. You want to pick this one up, basically just pick a version of it. Doesn't matter. Epic Games are picking up the tab, so grab the Pro version. But you can see this one is available for like everything. Unreal, Unity, UEFN, Blender, Cinema 4D, 3D Studios Max, Maya, FBX, GLB, and OBJ. So pick a format. If it can load 3D files, it can use this particular asset. So you got 2 weeks to add these to cart. So make sure within the next 2 weeks of this video launching that you add them and check out, and they're yours to keep forever. Again, we've got the advanced phone system replicated set up here. Number of blueprints for doing a ton of things. So again, a number of different apps are built in there. It implements a complete virtualized phone. You can re-thin it, skin it, theme it, etc. to fit the style you wish, but a pretty powerful game mechanic there. That one is, of course, Unreal Engine only because it's basically a number of blueprint systems there. Then we've got the Medieval Modular Wall Pack. Again, it's a set of walls. It's about as straightforward as they get. And again, this one is universal, so it's available for Unreal as well as Blender, GLB, OBJ, and FBX. I do like to see these Blender things being thrown in here as well. And then we got another one that's kind of as a bonus for Unreal Engine people. They just released the 50 free Niagara system-ready effects. So if you want a number of different special effects, Niagara based, they are available in this pack. So you can see all of them right here. So you've got explosions and footstep bubbles and location markers and so on. A number of common particle systems you may need to use inside of Unreal Engine are available. One thing to note about this one, though, it is available on Fab, but the key thing here is this is for 5.7, so it's for the newest version only. So see right there. So this, I tried loading it up in 5.6, which is what my demo project was. It does need 5.7 as the functionality, but they did make this Niagara example packs available as well. And then on top of that, another thing that's going on right now, head on over to the Unity Asset Store, and they have their Publisher of the Week. So they get 50% off their publisher stuff, but there's always a freebie. And the freebie in this particular case uses Kenney.nl 2026. Use that at checkout, and you can get this animation pack for free. Now, interestingly enough, this one is available for Unity, Godot, and Unreal, which is super rare on the Unity Asset Store. So this is like cross-platform stuff week in terms of the freebies. So again, use that code Kenney.nl 2026 when you buy it, and it'll bring the price down to 0. And this is a number of crafting animations. So pretty straightforward there. This one is only going to be available for a couple more days. So if you want to get this one for free, you only have until, there we go. Let's go back here. February the 12th. To pick that one up. So I only got a couple days from the point of this video. And then one final thing I'm going to showcase this time is there's also a new freebie from Kenney of Kenney.nl fame. He's got a new modular dungeon kit. So you can see there the sprites, etc. for creating this are now available as well. Again, CC0, completely free. Go ahead and download that if you wish. He just launched the 2.0 version of the modular dungeon kit here. So if you're looking for, I believe, oh no, this is 3D, which is cool. So a number of 3D files. You might actually be able to work that together with this one and make an interesting dungeon environment. So ladies and gentlemen, that is the Epic Games giveaways, as well as a couple of other things that are going on as well. Let me know if you're interested in me doing that in the future of these videos. Kind of bundling all the current freebies that are available into one topic. And I could do this, again, every other weekend or every other week when the Fab giveaways launch. Again, let me know if you're interested, and let me know if that's the case, how I should title these videos so you know it's more than just the Unreal Engine giveaways. But in this case, again, the Unreal Engine giveaways aren't just Unreal Engine. They're like everything. So this one, pretty much everything. This one, obviously Unreal Engine only. This one, pretty much everything. So some pretty cool stuff. Let me know what you think. Comments down below. I'll talk to you all later. Goodbye.